So then I'll ask the last pioneer to come to the stage. So welcome, Atte. So he's going to tell us how the young people will build the dream for deploying 5G services for communities.
Yes, thank you very much, Petri. It's awesome to be here, and I feel so inspired after all of this wonderful speech, and it's great to actually hear some of these examples already. It makes my job a lot easier as well now, because the ambition level of these examples, it's so wonderful. So my topic is the 5G Mökki and the 5G Productivity Accelerator by Start North and the network powering that. 5G enables business innovation across multiple industries with significant social and economic benefits. This is from the European Investment Bank, but I think that all around the conversation about 5G, this topic is this theme is coming more and more clear throughout the day, throughout the cycle of the technology. And most likely there is no achieving the Industry 4.0, no way, without 5G connectivity of the devices. So, for example, with Nokia, the 30% improvement in productivity in a production site, that's so impressive that by eliminating all of the waste from the production, for example, the power of the social advantages and that it's superb. These kind of pilots of the utilization of the technology, they've already been started and really much in focus throughout the industries. For example, in education industries as well, thinking of the COVID times, everything turning virtual. That's important part of the topic as well to bring that more bring that discussion forward about more immersive learning experiences. But for actual investments and large-scale adaptation of the technology by industries, I think the technology is not that clear yet to most of the people. The examples brought by EY in a research were the use cases pictured by the industries were pretty not so ambitious. There was freight monitoring or patient monitoring, where your stuff is at a warehouse. Those are pretty much things that you can basically do with the current technology as well. So I think that the technology investment case is not that clear yet. And bringing that technology closer to people actually would make a significant effect. But the problem is, at least in Finland, technology industries will need 130,000 new professionals in 10 years. But the problem, technology studies was the least applied field of studies. So this is quite a big of a problem in that sense. So our solution, a hub for knowledge, collaboration and connections, the 5G Mökki. This kind of network connects the top universities, academia, with the companies and other organizations to develop those services and develop those products for people to use. 5G Mökki, not only a physical structure, although it's pretty nice quality piece of Nordic values as well, but it offers an easy and efficient way to collaborate with different people, with different services, for example. And on top of that, the development, it makes it visible, it makes it understandable. So always when there's a new technology, that demand won't match the supply in talent, for example. The IT executives see this as the talent shortage as the most significant adoption barrier to 64% of emerging technologies. This is a huge number that we need to be able to match within the next couple of years, because, well, of course, the best talent will be sourced by someone, and we really want this technology to be inclusive as well. So this is basically a huge motivation for the 5G Mökki initiative and the network initiative. So as this was founded by the students in 2019 at the Aalto University summer course in collaboration with real-life use cases by some Fortune 500 companies as well. So this is it's a way to bring that technology close to the consumers, close to the next level professionals. To familiarize and excite people about the technology, it's super important. And the mission is to accelerate the learning and applying of the technology with the 10 values that we see as fundamental to the network. So to conclude, the productivity accelerator was developed from the 5G Mökki. We realized that as companies do not have that kind of an idea on how to apply the technology, we needed to bring this kind of initiative to match the needs and the ideas with solutions. So we will promise that we will get you started and we will keep your productivity up to date with the latest developments, with instant access to the network full of latest information, the top talent, and industry-wide knowledge. And to combine that, we have the access to the youth, for example, with our significant connections to the academia, for example, via our summer courses and things like that, good with all the initiatives in that sense. So Start North is committed to boost the global know-how on 5G to enable sustainable, economical, and social change powered by 5G. And to succeed in this, we need the help of all our stakeholders, which I see a room full of. Thank you very much, and I really hope to have some good conversations afterwards. Thank you.